Well, we are good too. We all know Indonesia is famous for volcanoes and the Ring of Fire, right? But beyond the erosion, these geological activities create extreme hot springs, especially in Sulawesi. In places like Leja and Makula, the water can hit 90 degrees Celsius and is full of sulfur. Most living things will kill cells in the environment, but bacteria actually thrive there. Our study looks at how they do it. We want to find out how these bacteria evolve their DNA to surface conditions that should technically kill them.
First, let's look at the habitat. The hot springs in Sulawesi act like a really strict filter. It's not just the heat, the pH change and the heavy metals create a lot of stress. This environment forces a survival of the fittest situation. If a bacterium doesn't have a strong cell membrane or a way to handle the toxicity, it dies. The ones that survive are the specialists, microbes that have adapted their entire structure to handle the heat and chemicals.
So, how did they evolve to handle this? We found that their main strategy is actually genome reduction. Instead of getting more complex, these bacteria get simpler. They basically delete the genes they don't need. They save them energy, which is crucial when you're living in extreme heat. They also do something called amino acid remodeling. They swap out weak parts of their protein for stronger, heat-resistant ones. They share some genes with their neighbor, or horizontal gene transfer, but mostly they survive by streamlining their own DNA. Okay, now if you look specially at their genes, they have some impressive survival hacks. For example, they have a core-specific enzyme that protect their protein-making machinery from melting or breaking down. Structurally, their proteins are packed much tighter than normal bacteria. Think of it like a dense brick wall versus a loose fence. Metabolically, they also adapted since normal carbon processing is unstable at high temperature. They switched to alternative energy pathways or electron sinks to keep functioning.
So why is this useful for humans? This is where the biotechnology comes in. These bacteria make protein that stays stable in boiling water. We call it as extremozymes. These are incredibly valuable for industries. We can use them to make laundry detergent, processing food, or bioplastic at high temperature. Also, since they are used to toxic mineral, we can use them for bioremediation, basically using them to clean up the hot and polluted industrial waste that other bacteria cannot handle.
To wrap things up, the Sulawesi hot springs are a harsh environment that pushes bacteria to evolve in very specific ways. They survive by shrinking their genome to be more efficient and reinforcing their protein structures to withstand the heat. But for us, this isn't just biology trivia. This adaptation provides the blueprint for the future of industrial enzymes and green technology. That's all from us. Thank you.